Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to make your Instagram account public using the Instagram app on your PC, especially after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through each step so you can easily switch your account from private to public and start sharing your content with a wider audience. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to change. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several icons. Find the one labeled More and click on it. This icon is usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or dots, and it opens up additional options for your account. After clicking on the More icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page, where you can manage everything related to your Instagram experience. Next, look for the section called Account Privacy. Click on it to enter the privacy settings for your account. Here, you'll see the option labeled Private Account. If the toggle is turned on, your account is currently set to private, meaning only approved followers can see your posts and stories. To make your account public, simply click the toggle to disable the private account setting. A prompt may appear, letting you know that anyone will now be able to see your posts, stories, and profile information. Confirm your choice, and your account will be switched to public instantly. That's all it takes. Now your Instagram account is public, and anyone can follow you and view your content without needing approval. This is a great way to reach more people, connect with new followers, and grow your presence on Instagram. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips and tricks for getting the most out of your favorite social media platforms. Thanks for watching, and enjoy sharing your content with the world.